Freehold Raceway Mall. And then his house. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice sunny weather. Wow. Let's check out the outdoors a little bit here. They got some music, so I do have to talk. You know the drill. We have to always talk over the music on the social media, usually. Cheesecake Factory. Pretty jumping. Nice day to be out there. Nice day to be out here. Got a sushi spot here. I don't know if that's connected inside the mall here. As you see, I'm going to turn around to show you. Kura Revolving Sushi. I don't know. Is that connected inside the mall? Maybe some of these aren't connected inside the mall, because I don't remember seeing Cheesecake Factory inside the mall, and that one. Very nice weather. Let's do a weather check. 80 degrees right now, no humidity. The humidity feels very low if there's any. So that's super, super awesome. Super awesome. Yeah, they got the music everywhere out here. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's rock and roll, rock and roll. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like some dinner music going on. Some fiddler. The fiddler and off of the roof. Let's go. Whoop. Oh, whoa, the door hit me fast. Whoopsie. Okay, cool, got it. Thanks. All right, Freehold Mall, June 20th, 2026, in his house. All right, so yeah, it's 5:48 p.m. Saturday, June 20, 2026. Weather is so nice. Tomorrow's the first day of summer. Technically, we're kind of in summer, but tomorrow is like the first day of summer. 80 degrees, checking the weather right now. All right. Thanks for tuning in. See you all in the next one. Peace out. God bless.